Book of Heaven, Volume 2, August 16th, 1899. She continues to act as a mama for Jesus. Jesus continues to want me to act as his mother. He made himself seen as a most gracious little baby, crying, and to calm his crying, holding him in my arms, I began to sing. It so happened that when I would be singing, he would stop crying. When I wouldn't, he would start crying again. I would rather have kept silent on what I was singing. First, because I don't remember everything, since I was outside of myself, and one can hardly remember all the things that happen. And also because I believe it is nonsense. But Lady Obedience, who is too impertinent, does not want to give up, and it is enough that one does as she wants, for her to be content even with nonsense. I don't know. They say that this Lady Obedience is blind, but to me it seems rather that she is all eyes, because she looks at the tiniest things, and when one does not do as she says, she becomes so impertinent as to give you no peace. And so now, to have peace from this beautiful Lady Obedience, because then she is so good when one does as she says, that whatever one wants, through her, everything is obtained. I will say what I remember of my singing. Little baby, you are little and strong, from you I expect every comfort. Little baby, gracious and beautiful, you enamor even the stars. Little baby, steal my heart so as to fill it with your love. Little baby, tender little one, make me a little baby too. Little baby, you are a paradise, oh please, let me come to delight in your eternal smile. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.